everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we break down the evolution of accounting. Accounting has come a long way from the days of manual ledger books to the sophisticated digital systems we use today. This evolution, driven by advancements in technology, has revolutionized how businesses manage their finances, ensuring greater accuracy, efficiency, and real-time access to data. Let's take a historical journey to see how accounting practices have transformed from paper-based systems to cloud-based technology. In 14th century Italy, the father of modern accounting, Luca Pacioli, introduced the double-entry bookkeeping system. Each transaction was meticulously recorded by hand in ledgers where every debit had a matching credit. This manual process, while revolutionary at the time, was incredibly time-consuming. Errors meant accountants had to sift through pages of records to find mistakes. In the early 20th century, businesses grew, as did the complexity of their financial management. Enter the mechanical calculator, which helped reduce errors and save time on basic computations. But the real game changer came in the 1950s with the rise of mainframe computers. These computers allowed large corporations to automate some of their accounting processes, though they were far too expensive for smaller businesses. By the 1980s, personal computers began to change the landscape of accounting. Tools like Lotus 1-2-3 and Microsoft Excel revolutionized how accountants worked, digitizing records and making complex financial analysis easier. Soon after, software like QuickBooks and Peachtree emerged, allowing even small businesses to automate payroll, invoicing, and tax preparation tasks. Tally accounting is one of India's first software products. Shyam Sundar Goenka and Bharat Goenka founded the Tally package. It is used for financial accounting purposes. The name is inspired by the word tally, which means to count, to keep records. Tally is a complete business solution for any kind of business enterprise. Fast forward to the early 2000s, the internet changed everything. Cloud-based accounting systems like Xero and FreshBooks made it possible for businesses to access their financial data anywhere at any time. Today, cloud accounting is the standard. Platforms like Xero, QuickBooks Online, and Zoho Books offer businesses real-time data access, automation of routine tasks, and advanced security through encrypted cloud storage. Cloud accounting introduced real-time collaboration between businesses and their accountants, reducing the risks of data loss and enabling faster, more efficient financial management. Businesses now can scale effortlessly with features that grow as they do, making accounting more accessible, cost-effective, and secure than ever before. The future of accounting is even more exciting. AI and machine learning are already automating tasks like data entry and expense categorization, giving accountants more time for strategic work. Blockchain technology is creating decentralized, tamper-proof records, revolutionizing audits and financial transparency. As technology advances, so does the role of accountants, from number crunchers to strategic advisors. With real-time insights and predictive analytics, accountants today help businesses navigate complex financial landscapes. Are you interested in commerce or accounting? The Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya offers commerce professional courses like ACCA, CA, CMA, and CS. We provide a one-of-a-kind platform by availing all the courses in the syllabi. This makes IIC Lakshya a trusted destination for all commerce aspirants. Enroll now. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.